what do you think are the important core functions or systems that store owners would need to help manage their pickup and delivery service?
Yeah, no, I mean, so having a really good and well-designed website, that is like the foundation of your whole pickup and delivery business. That's where your customers are going to be interacting with you and getting the feel for what your brand is, who you are. And then from that point, the tools that you need on the back end is, you need the ability to get their credit card information. What are their preferences? Um, and how easy is it for the customer to schedule a pickup and for your staff to then go, all right, let me look on my driver's app and, pick up that order, process it and deliver it back. So having like customer preferences saved, the credit card information saved, and again, there's different systems out there, and you have to see which system kind of is tailored more towards your business. Do you want to be an on-demand laundry service where you're going kind of different areas all throughout the day? Or do you want to run what's called a route where you have, all right, this is my list of people for today. I'm going to put this in order and, drive this route to get these customers. So see, how you want to run that business and then look for that system that, that best fits, for your model of operating.